Okay.
This is Pokemon Celebrations
Yes.
10 from GameStop.
And we're chasing the master set.
Chasing the master set. So what are we looking for here? What don't we have that we're like, is there any real chase here? Like,
Yes.
obviously there's
Quite a few actually.
Okay.
This set is so hard because you only get 4 cards per pack.
Right.
So you get a ton of doubles, and then the rare ones are really hard to pull.
Whoa! Eevee.
No.
That's, oh.
Pikachu.
Sorry, Pikachu. I just love Eevee. I just assume she'll be in all of them. This happens every time. Alright, let's say celebrations for last.
Yeah.
Open the Darkness Ablaze. So what's the Chase in Darkness Ablaze?
I'm not super familiar with Darkness Blaze, although the last time we opened this, we pulled the Charizard VMAX.
Alright. Sorry, I'm getting used to holding them tight as I pull. Boop. Maybe that one. Skinny. Cute. Any of those look like?
Yeah, there's a couple of them I think we need.
And there's no trick to this next one, correct?
No, yeah, correct. Just put it there.
Cosmo, I believe we have.
Oh, we need
Whoa.
the Blastoise. Yes.
Cool. What a cute card. Love that.
Oh, we need that
Wow.
too. There we go. 2 in a row. Nicely done.
Nice pulls.
And Venta. Looks like Maxwell. Every time you open Celebrations, you get us something that we need. Oh.
UX.
And
Professor Research.
Alright. Okay, let's see if I can be as lucky as you were.
Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Is it always Darkness Ablaze?
I don't know, it has been.
Oh, so of course.
It has been every
One
time
we question it.
yeah, up until this point. This is a set that we are chasing, so this is helpful. That guy's cute.
Oh, you got something.
I wonder. This looks. I think we have this.
You think we do?
Slowking, yes.
Cool card, though.
It is. It looks. I I just love the colors.
Yeah.
Like that dark purpley blue.
I'll sleeve it.
There we go. Okay. Wish me luck.
Good luck.
Oops.
Don't forget to like us, comment on how we're doing,
The whole spiel.
and subscribe.
Rash Ram. Oh no. I was like, I think I see something. It's the freaking code card. Of course. Rookie mistake. That's okay. For the whole internet to see.
What?
We just pulled this.
What? Alright.
That's okay.
It's okay.
It's a double that will.
It's fine. We'll take doubles.
Yep, gladly take doubles.
If you're enough subscribers, we can donate them.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
We should.
Comment if you want this card. We'll mail it to you.
Yeah. First person to comment
First comment
that wants it.
that
says
wants
that they want it.
First comment that wants it,
We'll ship it to you.
we will ship that to you.
Gudon? Oh, sorry about that. Yes! We don't have Rocket Zapdos.
Nice.
I'm confident that we need this card.
Alright.
And I'm pretty sure we have that. Great! So I believe we pulled 5 cards for the set that we need. So we'll just do a quick recap once you get that sleeved up. Nice throwback card, isn't it?
Yeah, so
Okay.
what cards are
And, oh sorry, actually, my apologies. We actually pulled 3 that we need for our set. So the Blastoise, Zamazenta, and the Rockets Zapdos. Yeah, that's a good idea too. You can announce that.
Yeah, so if anybody who needs or wants this card, first comment, we will send this card.
Whoever
To
wants the
you?
Mew EX, we'll ship that to you.
Along with that one,
And the Zamazenta V.
let us know. We can mail those cards out.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Like,
As-
comment, and subscribe. The card is yours.
As cheesy as that is.